Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Zoom app or Zoom. Us. Once signed in, schedule a new meeting or open the meeting you already started. Make sure the meeting option Require Meeting Passcode is enabled when scheduling. This creates the sharing key you'll distribute. You do this now because Zoom will only display the passcode and full invitation after the meeting exists. Once done, save the meeting. That record generates the meeting ID, the passcode, and the copy invitation control you'll use next. Once the meeting is saved or running, go to Meetings Upcoming or click Invite while in the meeting. Then click Copy Invitation or View Meeting Info. This panel displays the meeting link, the meeting ID, and the passcode. That passcode is the sharing key people need. Copy the entire invitation or just the passcode and link. Make sure to paste into a secure channel. Once copied, you can paste into email, calendar, or chat so attendees can join with the key provided. Finally, distribute the meeting link and passcode to participants through email, calendar invite, or a secure chat. If you prefer, edit the meeting to change the passcode or require registration to limit access. If attendees report they can't join or the passcode isn't shown, make sure your Zoom account web settings have Require Meeting Passcode enabled and that your app is updated. Sometimes older clients hide the passcode. As a troubleshooting tip, resave the meeting after changing settings and resend the updated invitation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.